Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that newspaper 3 months answer writing preparations. Examine the causes behind and various the disaster in the Himalayas region, its the impact and the measures and need to the prevent the disaster to 50 words and difficulty level through reference Indian Express and Indian Express. Why the question and under the constructions and tunnel or the Yamunotri and the National Highway in the Uttarakhand and the Uttarkashi districts and college it the down on the Sunday and trapped the 40 workers inside. Key demand of the question to write about disasters in the Himalayas region and it is the causes, impact and measures needed to tackle it. Structure of the question answers. Introduction. The Himalayas landscapes and is the substantials and to the landslide and the earthquake formed due to the collision of India and the Eurasians and plates. The northward and movement of the formers and puts the continued stress on the rocks and renderings and then the weak and prone to landslide on the earthquake and this combined with the steeps and slopes and remain rugged and the topographies and high the seismic and the vulnerabilities and the rainfall makes the region one of the most disaster prone areas in the world and body causes of the disasters in the Himalaya region. Unsustainable exploitations and from the megas and road expansions project in the name of the national security as Char Dham and highway to buildings the cascadings and the hydroelectrics and power projecting from the up unplanned and the expansions of town and to unsustainable tourism and the Indian states and have the ignored and warnings about the fragile and the ecology such as the approach has also led to the pollution, deforestation and water and the waste management crisis and threat of the development activities and mega the hydropower and which is other significant sources of the green power and the substitute energy and from the fossil fuels and could offer the several aspects of the ecology rendering it's the vulnerable to the effect of the extreme event and as the cloud bursts and the flash flood and the landslide and earthquakes and incompatibles and models of the development in the hills. In the hills represented and by big the hydroelectricity and project and large scale construction activities involving the destructions of forest and damming of river is and the innovations to harm impact of the global warming on the Himalayas and ecology and with the utter and the disregard and for the fragile and topography and climate sensitive plants and the threat to the ecology has increased many the fold and glacier melting resulting in and the abrupt and rise in the water causes and flood and the impact the local society and increase the incidented and of the forest and fires and are also the linked and with the warmings of the Himalayas region conversions of the forest and to agriculture land and the exploitations of the forest and for the timbers fodder and fuel bird are some of the main and threat and to the biodiversity in these regions and preventions and mitigations. Earthquake streak the buildings and code and the early and warming systems and public the awareness and compositions can help reduce the casualties and better urban the plannings and the constructions and techniques are also the crucial. Landslide soil stabilizations and techniques and early the warming systems and controlled deforestation can help the reduce and landslide risk and proper land use and planning is the vitals and glove and the regulars monitoring and of the glacier slacks and the engineering interventions and like the controlled and drainage and the climates and change and mitigations mitigation effort and can help reduce the glove risk and the flash flood and early the warmings and system in afforestation and the sustainable land use practices and can the mitigates and flash food risk effective and the disaster response. Mm. Disaster response and plan the are essential and the avalanches and snowpacks and the monitoring avalanches and forecasting and control the release on the and snows and can help the prevent and the avalanches and the public awareness and the education are also the criticals and glacier and the retreat and climate
जब तक जाही रहे तेरी नानी आ रही
change and climate changes and mitigation effort are the crucial and sustainable water management our adaptation strategies are needed and to address the impact of the crucial repeat human activities sustainable land use the planning and afforestation and regulations to control the construction in vulnerable areas are the necessary to reduce the impact of the human activities. Conclusion Himalayas region and faces other range of the natural disaster due to its the geological environmental characteristics and effectively preventions and the mitigations strategic include the yearly warming system and sustainable land use plannings and climate changes mitigation effort and public awareness compassions and the collaboration between the government local communities and international organization is essential to address the complex challenges posed by the dust disaster in the Himalayas. Various security forces and agencies and there's the mandates. Chief of Defense created to the promotes and jointness and restructures and military command for the optimal and the resources utilizations. However, there is scope to the utilize the post of the CDS and more the effectively and in other more integrated manner among the three services and evolution difficulties level. Introduction. The Chief of the Defense Staff and CDS is other favored star generals and officers and who the acted and as the principal's military advisors and to the Defense Ministry and on all the trials and the services Army, Navy, Indian Air Forces and matters. The government and the resources and the concept. क्या चाहिए? The concept of the post and of the Chief of the Defense Staff CDS. चले is the Department of the Military Affairs and DMA and is looking to the streamlines and the set of bodies and the rationale behind and creation of CDS. CDS increasing the demand and with the increasing the complexity and of the security challenges in the modern welfare areas. There was the need and for when the integrated approach to our defense strategy and there are the communication issues and the budgetary and overruns by the individual's commands and inter alias and with the demanded and joined the working of army and navy and the air force joint चल क्या होगा चल नहीं होता तो हाँ तो कोई लाइट CDS will the ensures and the promoted the jointness and functionings and the togetherness of the three services and independently through joint planning of the command operation logistics transport training and the communications repairs and the maintenance of the three services and within the 3 years of the operation and the ensures and close the operation and the collaborations among the defense forces and integration and there is other need for the including integrations and putting
देखो रिपोर्ट करिए।
नन्या
हाँ तुमने पहले भी नहीं करो, अब तो करो।
सर्विसेज एंड एड द डिफरेंट।
ठीक है
वाह यार कितनी वो हिंदी। अब नेट तो कर दो, डाटा तो होगा। पापा जो 100 रुपया को बोला
कर दा मैं सब
बस।
हाँ हाँ 1 किलो में।
However, there is difference between the integrated and the jointness of command lake of the resources. CDS as the first among equals and will act as the single point advisors and could be the hold and the accountables and for his the actions and the decisions taken and restructured military command and for the optimal. खा गया है ना? चल restructures military command for the optimal utilization of the resources and will avoid and the unnecessary duplications and the wasteful expenditures and expertise means सोए वो बहुत तुम्हारी नींद आ रही है being into the services and for the so long expertise and the knowledge of the CDS to deals and with the adverse and the situation and could be the approximately and utilized in order to the achieve the desired and aims creating and the agricultures and for the joint command and the responsibilities of CDS will the administrations the services organizations and agencies related to the cyber and the space. CDS will look into the monitoring of the contact and promoting and the use of the indigenous and equipment and the leveraging of the current systems and transformations them and the prioritizing the procurements and defense the equipment in the better ways and he will also the designs and enter the services and prioritizations.
मम्मी कसम जाको पूरा खत्म देख लो।
आरपीडी नेट खोल दिया व्हाट्सएप देखने का
नेरो ही चला रहा है ये सब।
अरे व्हाट्सएप देखा हूं मैं तो
prioritizations and the challenges and mandate for the defense of the nation is still and with the Department of the Defense and but the procurement and process exceptions except capital and the acquisitions and of the lies and with the serious 1 से 8 तक हो शायद and this gives and the birth and to the dichotomy लाई तो लिया तू तो हट जहाँ से जाई सोए को बहुत हट सो जा डिजोएगी और बिल होएगी क्या यही लगा दो तुम्हारी. This gives birth and to the dichotomies and as on one hand and CDS is expected to the prioritizings and the expansions and between the three services and but the bear and the withans and steals and lies and with the defense secretary hence the budgetary powers and steals lies with the bureaucrats and with the demand and timely and interventions by the governments. अरे नहीं सूखे बाके कचू कपड़ा ठीक है पेंट जाई मतलब CDS has the mandated of the force and planning associated with the creations and maintenance of the military capabilities. अरे नहीं
टैक्सी और जाते टैक्सी वाह कहाँ है टैक्सी वाह गाड़ी ये तो आगे बेटा
जंगा ही पक्का नहीं changes role of the welfares are being the more technologically oriented and over the rationalized and the right sizing of the manpower and needs to the address than the properly India faces the frequented and conflict on its the land and the frontiers and the balancings and this the rationalism and that the both and maritimes and airs the powers and are the going to play and the increasingly an important role. India rise as the leading powers and will be the among and the initial strategic challenges and that would be faced by the CDS and the government is a to retake a the call and on the what who the new CDS and will be the despite the post lines and vision for the nearly and 5 month and the conclusions and way forward. The appointment and of a the CDS and can lead to the development of the threats and commands in the futures and threat stations and has its the advantage and but the debates and among the services on the need and for such other move is far and from the over and the success of the CDS and will depend on the kind of the powers and the person appointed into the post enjoy and for the CDS and to be the effective and he would need to have the control on the decisions making apparatus. If the ministry and of the defense has the power to the overrules and the CDS especially in the case of procurement and of the equipment and for the three services the move may yield and low the dividend and the positives and that this and my this move and may have the can'ts and be the uncertain and until the government reveals and the nuts and the bolt of its plan. Security challenges and their management in border areas and linkage of the organization crime with the terrorism and managing other diverse and borders is other complex task and it's the involve and addressing the myriad of challenges to ensure the national security examined to 50 words. Introduction. India has one of the longest and the most varied of the international borders and historicals and politicals and these have left and India with and the artificial and unnatural borders and borders management is and the integral and approach towards the border in which along with the security enhancement and infrastructures and human development it is undertaken the challenges of the copings and with the long standings territorials and the boundaries and disputed and with the China's and Pakistan and the combined and with the porous borders and along some of the most difficult tenors in the world and has the made and effective and the efficiency borders management a national priorities. Jammu and Kashmir, HP, Uttarakhand, Punjab, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Indo-Pak, Indo-China, Indo-Nepal, Sikkim, Indo-Bhutan, Assam, AP, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Board. India has had to deal and the numerous and the challenges with respect and to the border management such as porous borders and international borders and with the Pakistan and Bangladesh and run through the diverse tenor including the desert and marshes and plain and the mountains and this the porosity of the borders and facilities and various legal activities such as the smugglings and trafficking and of the humans and drug and the arms implications and contested international border history of the mistrust and the contacted border and the skirmishes and with the Pakistan along line of the controls and LOC and makes India's highly susceptible and to cross borders and terrorism. Similarly, India's border with Myanmar is threatened and by the several insurgent and group and that have the found and statues in the jungles and along the borders and political boundaries and issues of the involved enclaved and the adverse and positions in Bangladesh and have the resulted in the medicals in political sensitivities and along the entire eastern borders. Inefficiency in border management and Indian the border continue to be the grounded and by the military and the police and forces and that the reported into the different militaries.